Ever feel overwhelmed by a cluttered pantry? You're not alone. Today, we're taking inspiration from the Amish, a community known for their simple, functional, and waste-free lifestyle, to help you organize your pantry the smart and sustainable way. Imagine opening your pantry and instantly finding everything you need. No expired food, no hidden clutter, just a clean, organized space that makes cooking effortless. Let's dive in. The Amish approach to pantry organization is all about simplicity, function, and durability. Their pantries are designed to make everyday life easier. Nothing fancy, just intentional and practical storage. Here are a few key elements of an Amish-style pantry. Open shelving. Everything is visible and within reach. Natural materials. Wood, glass jars, and woven baskets replace plastic clutter. Clear labeling. Every item has a designated spot, reducing waste and confusion. Now, let's bring these timeless principles into your home. Before organizing, you need to declutter. Follow these simple steps. Step 1, remove everything from your pantry. Yes, everything. This helps you see what you actually have. Step 2, check expiration dates and toss out anything expired. Donate unopened, non-expired food you won't use. Step 3, categorize items by use. Grains and pasta, canned goods, baking essentials, spices and seasonings, snacks and dry goods. Once everything is sorted, it's time to maximize storage space. You don't need expensive organizers to create an efficient pantry. Here are some budget-friendly, Amish-inspired storage solutions. Repurpose wooden crates and baskets for a rustic, natural look. Use clear glass jars to store grains, pasta, and snacks. This keeps food fresh and visible at a glance. Label everything. Try chalkboard labels or handwritten tags for an old-fashioned yet stylish touch. And if space is tight, consider using tiered shelves and hanging baskets to maximize every inch. Once your pantry is perfectly organized, keeping it that way is key. Here's how. Rotate your stock. Always place newer items behind older ones to prevent food waste. Quick weekly cleanups. Spend just 5 minutes a week wiping shelves and putting things back in place. Adjust as needed. Customize your pantry to match your lifestyle. What works for one family might not work for another. By following these simple steps, you'll have a stress-free, functional, and visually pleasing pantry inspired by Amish tradition. And there you have it, your very own Amish-inspired pantry makeover. By embracing simplicity, functionality, and natural materials, you can create a space that makes your daily life easier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY home organization and sustainable living tips. Until next time, happy organizing.